Yeah, that was good. Oh. Hi guys. So actually, today I'm going to tell you some really interesting items. In the last video, I told you some interesting items, but today it's going to be full items. So let's start. Beans, full of beans, full of energy. Cheese, big cheese, an important individual person. Bananas, go bananas. To become very excited or crazy. And now, pickle, in a pickle. To be in a difficult situation or in a trouble. Bacon! Bring home the bacon. Means to earn money for the family. Teacup, not my teacup. Something that I don't like. Potato, couch potato. Something like someone is super lazy, crazy,